Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. We got some onions, some ground turkey. I got this little vegetable soup mix that's frozen, so I'm going to try that out. And I'm going to add some carrots to it. I'm going to add my chicken broth. And then I'm going to add some chickpeas to it. So yeah, so stay tuned guys. I'm going to get it all prepared, cut up the onions and all the other stuff. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Alright, so I got some of the frozen soup mix in there, and then I got the onions, I got the chicken broth. So I'm gonna add one extra thing to it, and I'll show you. I'm gonna add a can of stewed tomatoes to it as well, or diced tomatoes in there. And yeah, so just give me a minute. I'm gonna add some rice as well. So. Alright guys, it's ready. So I'm gonna put the Instant Pot on, and it's gonna be on the soup button. Yeah, the soup button. Even the other button like rice would work too, I think. But I think the soup button is the best. So I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, check that out. It's all done. Looks pretty decent. Let's do a quick taste test. Get some broth there. Alright. It's got a nice vegetable broth flavor. The only thing is it needs a little bit more seasoning, like more salt. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.